Hi friends, how are you all doing? Hope everybody is doing good. So today we are going to see some very beautiful western short frocks at Shahenshah, Pursaivakkam, Chennai. Let's begin with this glittering frock. This comes with a complete glitter. You would have seen this kind of similar frock worn by celebrities in various shows, weddings and stage performances. This frock is very nice for lovely photo shoots, pre-wedding photo shoots. This glitter is an imported fabric. It's a very stretchable, comfortable fabric. I'll show you what is underneath. It's a very nice stretchable fabric. It's not going to hurt you in the skin, so you don't worry about it. And you have an inside layer also. Comes with 3/4 sleeves, and the colors in this are, let me show you the gold color, the evergreen gold, the dazzling gold, the women's favorite, gold. And the next one is red. So now I'm going to unveil you the price of this lovely frock. It is going to come within your budget, so you need not worry about it. And the price of this is only rupees 1795. I repeat, it's only rupees 1795. This beautiful frock can be yours for only rupees 1795. If you like it, we can also courier to you to your home. If you are living far away and you can't come to our shop, just leave a text or you can WhatsApp us. We can courier this to you. This is available in size L and XL, 2 sizes. So the next frock we are going to see is this beautiful red color frock. Very pretty frock. This is a stretch material. The fabric is a stretch fabric. It's a banyan stretch fabric. Very comfortable for the skin. You can wear it in any weather. Your skin is going to breathe in this fabric. Not going to feel hot in this. This comes with a belt around the waist. And it has the belt sleeves. This frock has this little silver work around it, which makes it look more attractive. This is a nice birthday frock or an evening frock. So the color options in this are
bottle green, black, mustard, and navy blue.
wow, so many colors to choose from. I can choose from these such beautiful colors. I'm already very puzzled. Which one should I buy for me? This is such a pretty frock. I want to buy this for my sister. So what do you think the price of this frock is? Take a guess. No, it's not 2000. No, it's neither 1500. It's still less. Take a guess. Yes, you guessed it right. It's only rupees 1350 only. This is only 1350.
L and XL size.
This comes in size L and XL. 2 sizes available, size L and XL. So we are going to see our next glittering frock. This frock has this small sequin works. The one which I showed you before had a bigger sequin. This comes with smaller sequin. Complete glitter all. Very pretty color. And this is also very beautiful fabric. It's a stretchable fabric, skin friendly, so you need not worry that it's going to hurt you inside or anything. It's a very comfortable fabric. As you can see, it's a lycra material. Comes with 3/4 sleeves. At the back, it's plain. So the color options in this are
Red.
a red color, a beautiful red, and black, beautiful black, the mighty black,
And chocolate color.
chocolate, the beautiful chocolate, everybody's favorite chocolate color. And last but not the least, the evergreen white. It's a very sober, elegant color. So what do you think the price of this frock is? Take a guess. The price of this frock is
1625.
only rupees 1625. Only rupees 1625. Very reasonable price. Very reasonable. So the next frock I'm going to show you is a retro frock. It comes with beautiful black and white stripes. Just look at this frock. It's such an eye-catching frock. Comes with 3/4 sleeves with bell sleeves, and you have this design running. This comes on both the sleeves. And you have these stripes behind also. Let me show you at the back also. Alright, yes. As you can see, it's a very sober evening dress. And the color options in this are,
Blue with white.
so the next one comes in the blue and white stripes. This blue and white stripes, the blue stripes are more thicker when compared to this white and black. The blue one is more thicker, but the pattern is same. It's the same pattern. So the price of this frock. So what will be the price of this frock? What do you think it is? The price of this frock is
1095.
only rupees 1095. Only rupees 1095. And the size available are,
L, XL and XXL.
wow, very lucky. You have all three sizes, L, XL, XXL. Very good. I'm going to buy this too.